Good morning. Can I talk to Mr. Abdul?
I'm sorry, Mr. Abdul is on business. May I know who I am talking to?
My name is Puspalistiano Raziza. I want to talk about the materials for interior design that I ordered last week.
Okay, ma'am. I will make an appointment this Sunday.
Sunday will be good for me.
Is there anything else I can help you?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You are welcome.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon. Am I talking to Miss Puspa?
Yes, it's me.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Reading the appointment that has been planned is the we can carry it out because Mr. Abdul has urgent because out to any not mean you not mean we change it to a different date.
Sure, I don't mind. When do you think I can talk to Mr. Abdul?
I tell you no later, ma'am.
Okay, I'll wait as soon as possible.
Okay, ma'am. Do you still have any questions?
No, that's enough, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, then I hung up the phone. Have a good afternoon.